morning everybody. Today I take your GK class. In the previous day I have already repeated chapter 9. Today I take your chapter 10, bookworms. That is number A, identify the following authors. There are some pictures in your book and some clues below the pictures, and you have to write the name of the authors, and there are a help box in your books. That is number 1. She is an Indian author best known for her novel The God of Small Things, which won the Man Booker Prize for Fiction in 1997. Answer: Arundhati Roy. Number 2. He was a Pakistani writer, playwright and author born in British India. He wrote mainly Urdu language and was best known for his stories about the partition of India. Saadat Hussain Manto. 3. She is a British novelist, film and television producer and screenwriter, best known for writing the Harry Potter fantasy series, J.K. Rowling. Number 4. He is a British Indian novelist. His second novel, Midnight's Children, won the Booker Prize in 1981 and was deemed to be the best novel of all winners. Number Salman Rushdie. Number 5. He is a Japanese writer. His books and stories have been bestsellers in Japan as well as internationally, with his work being translated into 50 languages till now. Haruki Murakami. Okay, this is your. And 6. He is a prolific Indian writer of British descent and has written over 500 short stories, essays and novels. He is well known for promoting children's literature in India. That is Ruskin Bond. This is the first question answer. Number 2. Match the following creations with their authors. War and Peace. Left hand side, War and Peace, Gitanjali, A Tryst with Destiny, A Tale of Two Cities, Alice in Wonderland, Hamlet, Pride and Prejudice. Right hand side, Jawaharlal Nehru, William Shakespeare, Charles Dickens, Rabindranath Tagore, Jane Austen, Lewis Carroll, Leo Tolstoy. Number 1. War and Peace, Leo Tolstoy. Gitanjali, Rabindranath Tagore. Number 4. A Tryst with Destiny, Jawaharlal Nehru. A Tale of Two Cities, that is Charles Dickens. Alice in Wonderland, that is Lewis Carroll. Hamlet, William Shakespeare. Pride and Prejudice, 7, Jane Austen. Okay, and then choose the correct options for each of the following. Which of the following is not written by Munshi Premchand? There are 4 options: Gavan, Manasarovar, Guide. That is, Guide is not written by Munshi Premchand. Number 2. Who is the author of the book The Three Musketeers? Annie Besant, Alexander Dumas, Manik Bandyopadhyay, Chetan Bhagat. Correct answer: Alexander Dumas. Number 3. The famous character Pickwick was created by Leo Tolstoy, Charles Dickens, George Washington, Steven Spielberg. Charles Dickens. Notice number 4. India Wins Freedom is the autobiography of L.K. 4 options: L.K. Advani, Rajendra Prasad, Abul Kalam Azad. Number 4. Indira Gandhi. That is correct answers: Abul Kalam Azad. Number 5. Who is the author of the book The Story of My Experiments with Truth? That is 4 option: Bhagat Singh, Thomas Hardy, Walter Scott, Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is Experiment with Truth is the author of the book My Experiments with Truth is Mahatma Gandhi. Which of the following book has been written by Bikram Seth? That is number 1, My God Died Young, A Suitable Boy, Look Back in Anger, The God of Small Things. Correct answer is A Suitable Boy. Okay, this is chapter 10, and now I revise chapter 11, Green World. That is Green World. There are some pictures in your books and you identify these, and there are some clues also, and you identify these, and there is a help box. You write the names correctly. That is number 1A. A1. It is a small ball-type plant native to North America forest. It is also called doll's eye because of its special shaped fruit. Number 1. White Banberry. Number 2. This is number 2, also known as Ethiopia obsea. This plant has the shape of a baseball and is native to South Africa. That is baseball plant. Number 3, that is native to South Africa. This plant can be described as living stones or pebbles. Its unique shape is caused by the merging of two separate leaves as the outer edges of the plant, that is lithos. Number 4, that is native to Southeast Asia. It is a carnivorous. It is a carnivorous plant that consumes small insects and animals as food with its special lobes. It is native to subtropical wetlands on the east coast of the United States. It is Venus flytrap. Number 5, that is native to Southeast Asia. It is a carnivorous plant that preys on insects and small animals with its attractive smell. That is pitcher plant. Okay. Number 6, also known as sensitive or shy plant. Its leaves immediately fold up. Its response to touch. It is native to South America. That is Mimosa pudica. Okay. This is number A. All questions. Number 2, write one medicinal use for each of the following plants. Basil. It is used for stomach spasms, loss of appetite, intestinal gas, kidney conditions, fluid retention, head colds, etc. etc. And it is also used to treat snake and insect bites. Number 2, neem. Neem leaf is used for leprosy, eye disorders, bloody nose, stomach upset, loss of appetite, skin ulcers, etc. Aloe vera. It is a rich source of antioxidants and vitamins that may help protect your skin. Peppermint. It is used to treat bad breath. It may improve brain function and cold symptoms. That is lavender. It is commonly used for anxiety, stress and insomnia. It is also used for depression, dementia, pain after surgery and many other conditions. So now choose the correct options for each of the following. Number 1, what type of roots are the hanging structure of a banyan tree? 4 options. Buttress roots, storage roots, steel roots, aerial roots. Steel roots. Answer. Which of the following is not a root? Potato, carrot, radish, turnips. Potato. Which part of the pitcher plant is modified into the pitcher? That is root, leaf, fruit, stem. Leaf. Which part of the saffron plant is used to obtain the spice saffron? Dry stigma, stem, fruit, roots. Dry stigma. The scientific method of finding the age of tree by analyzing its ring patterns is known as palistology, morphology, dendrology, carbon dating, dendrochronology. Which of the following plants is used for treatment of malaria? Neem, aloe vera, cassava, cinchona. Correct answer is cinchona. Okay, now I show you the pictures, question answer and all these things and pictures of these books. Okay. দেখাতে হবে। Now I revise chapter 10, 11, 10 and 11 in your class, and I have already done these 2 chapters and total question answers in the previous classes, and I show you the video, post you the videos. Now I revise these 2 chapters. You also learn all these chapters at your home and prepare yourself for the exam. Next day I give you chapter 4, revise chapter 14 and 17. Okay, thank you.